Sir, but the other side is propounding a different argument using a different law. They're citing RA 1405, Section 2. And I'll try to summarize it a bit. All deposits of whatever nature with banks or banking institutions are hereby considered as absolutely confidential in nature and may not be examined, inquired, or looked into, and moving forward, except upon written permission of the depositor or in cases of impeachment or upon order of a competent court. So they're citing Section 2 of an earlier law.
Well, as I said, no? As you said, RA 1405 is a different law from RA 9160 and 11521. No? RA 1405, in my opinion, applies to banks, okay? Banks in general. If you want information and you want that the banks themselves reveal those information, then there are exceptions in that law, RA 1405 that you said, no? Consent, impeachment, okay? But the Committee on Justice did not ask the information from the banks. They asked the information from the AMLAC. So what law will govern them? Because they asked it from the AMLAC, not the banks. It's not the RA 1405. It doesn't apply to AMLAC. So it is the RA 9160 that should apply because that is the law governing AMLAC. Okay? And that law is restrictive. There is no exception, and the prohibition on AMLAC to reveal information is absolute. And the reason for that is that the AMLAC handles thousands, millions of information from several banks a day. That's why they treat it as sensitive, confidential information, because you have with you the power of freezing accounts, the power to inquire in bank inquiry orders, and the law provides limitations on that powers of the AMLC. And one of these limitations is you cannot divulge any information to anybody because this information are supposed to be confidential to help the AMLAC in their investigation of money laundering offenses. Kaya nga po AMLA siya, Anti-Money Laundering Council. They are limited to investigating money laundering offenses using the information and transactions reported by the banks. So that is the limited authority of AMLAC in investigating money laundering offense. That's why the law provide a limitation that you cannot divulge information revealed by the banks and transmitted to the AMLAC for purposes solely for investigating money laundering offenses.
Yes, sir.
So that is the limitation.
Yes, sir.